Hi, we're Penpal 2000. This is Lab 5 Part 2. So from Part 1, we've been able to extract data from PDF files about well data. We did some web scraping and data processing. And now we're utilizing that to collect and organize data from the PDFs and the website to visualize the collected information. So we created map layers to plot the position of the wells and then present the additional information collected along with it. So for initial setup, we used Apache Web Server on Linux environment. And so this setup was crucial for hosting our web application designed to visualize oil well data extracted in the last part of the lab. The server installation was pretty straightforward, and it was just like a standard Apache installation procedures for Linux. Documentation for server setup was maintained to ensure reproducibility. And now Yuka will talk about the next part.
Yeah, sure. So if you can open the map HTML file. So basically what this does is it's an HTML code that defines a web page for displaying a map of well locations. So first it includes a header called well map, and then a divider element for the map. And it styles it so that the width is 100% with some pixels. And there's another divide element for displaying detailed information about a well. So when you click it, then it shows up. And then the web page also includes a reference to the open layers library. So we use that to display the map. And then it also has a script tag that connects to the main2.js file. So that is where all the information is located. And that's the JavaScript code for interacting with the map. And then Kylan will talk about main2.js and the data that we have.
Okay, I'll talk about the JavaScript that enables us to like display the required information and also construct a map with the different well information that we extracted from part 1. So I'll just quickly go over the raw code. Basically here is just create a new map, and this part it sets up a new initial view of the map, which sets its center to North Dakota, as most of our well are located in North Dakota state. And here we just define a marker for each well location so that well locations will be more distinct on our map. So basically here it just like it grasped the extracted data we collected from part 1 and parse it and add it to the additional information block that we created. This is just a function. So once we fetch the data and we apply the function there, we'll just like display the information in the desired area once the user click it. Yeah, so that just add another layer on the map. We call it info overlay. So here's a single click function that will allow users to display the additional information if they just click on the red marker we designed for each well location. So I'll just quickly demonstrate our map. So let's refresh. So as you can see here, this is the initial view of the map, which is focused on the center of North Dakota state in the United States. This all like little red dots are our well location. Let's zoom in a little bit. And as you can see, each well locations are mapped out according to their coordinates, namely longitude and latitude we extracted from part 1. And if we click on like each one of those red marker, it will just display all the additional information we web scraped. As you can see here, displays the API number, well status, and all the other information. So users can click on each of this well marker I'll display the additional information. And that's all. Thank you.